Hello, this is the CRT man here. On June 4th, while searching for this ViewSonic CRT monitor that I could sadly not rescue, and bumping into a vintage Sony Trinitron and a 32-inch television, which I'll show in the next two videos, I found this random, extraordinarily dirty NTC keyboard for 286 computers and 8088 CPU computers. It uses a DIN 5 port, as you could hopefully see. Once again, this thing's extraordinarily dirty. I found it in like a bush or something. There's no direct official model number. It just has a serial number. I'm pretty sure this is from the early 90s because this uses DIN 5 and it's mechanical. It's got a built-in cable. So, kind of random find. A lot of the keys are stuck and just ridiculously messed up, but I could try to restore it, maybe. I don't have any DIN 5 computers, but if I ever find one, this might get a use. So yeah, for now I'll just keep it. So, thanks for watching.